Every now and then, a new cruise ship comes along that rewrites the rulebook of cruise ship design. MSC Seaside is that ship. MSC Seaside has 3 outdoor catwalks that extend beyond the edge of the ship. Let's take a look inside. 6 dazzling Swarovski crystal staircases will take you straight into the heart of the ship's stunning reception area. Take advantage of the MSC Yacht Club. It's a private club where guests will enjoy personalized butler and concierge service around the clock. MSC Cruises is known for its fine dining at sea, and MSC Seaside has some of the most elegant dining venues at sea. With room for 934 guests, this high-tech theater is the ideal place to enjoy spectacular Broadway-style extravaganzas, and that's only part of an exciting array of fun and entertainment for the whole family to enjoy. Come join us in the Caribbean on the revolutionary MSC Seaside, the ship that follows the sun.